Hello, everybody. My name is Mayra Gomez, and the first question is, what is your teaching experience? So, for my teaching experience, I have been a paraprofessional for 6 years. I've been working in a kindergarten classroom, and paraprofessional is a fancy word for teacher's aide, kind of. But we're a little bit more instructional. And like I said, it's been for 6 years, and I've been working with the same kinder teacher, which I'm really happy to. She's awesome. And for my teaching experience, I mainly do small groups. For literacy centers, I take care of the writing center. And in the writing center, I basically teach kids how to write a sentence. So it's like capital letter, spaces, and punctuation. And then we work with CVC, so trying to help them sound out cat. So I would be like, the word we're gonna write cat. What's the first sound you hear in cat? K, k, k. And then we would write it, and then what's the middle sound, ending sound, and so on. And then I do help out with high frequency words. This year I got to help out with teaching the higher kids how to read. That was a lot of fun. And what else? I just mainly take care of small groups, helping the lower kids get to grade level, or at least for them to recognize their letters, know their sounds, and we would be happy. And also numbers, because I also do math groups. So I also help with numbers, counting, and all of that stuff. So that's my experience with teaching. I never did subbing or anything like that. But yes. And then the next question asks, what experience have you had teaching ELLs? So with that, where I am at, majority of the population is Hispanic. So we do have a lot. We also have a couple Filipinos, and very few. I think one year we had someone from India. And but yeah, it's big in diversity where I work. And so my experience is like we've done ELD. Like I said, since I've been working in kindergarten, we don't go into like the hard stuff. It's mainly like teaching them, may I go to the bathroom? I'm a boy. My name is Ms. Mayra, or so on and so on. But basically the basics. What experience do you have learning as a second? Oh, what experience do you have learning a second language? My first language is Spanish, so English is my second language, so I have a lot of experience. I guess I could see the spectrum of what an EL student is, because I am personally one. I Unfortunately, during my times, there wasn't many resources for us. It was like, I kind of remember it was like when they were starting to do intervention groups, and like I said, it was the basics, like, I am a girl, my name is Mayra, I am 5 years old, like that type of stuff. It was a little bit more robotic, but that's, yeah, it's hard being an EL student, because I feel like we never belong. We don't really know all English, and we don't really know all Spanish. I will say my strongest is Spanish, but I do communicate well. I do write English well and all of that stuff. I am a little bit limited, but I'm trying to expand my vocabulary, and I am also trying to expand on pronunciation, because some of my pronunciation, I do stutter, and you'll notice. And then there's some words that you could tell that I struggle with. And I feel like my battle has never ended. So, yeah, that's my experience being an EL student. Thank you so much for your time, and have a wonderful day.